How to reset VLC Media Player to default settings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your device. Here, click on Tools at the top. Then click on Preferences, which is the last option. In here, you'll find Show Settings. Below Show Settings, you'll find All. Click on All, make sure there's dot in All, then press on Reset Preferences. After you click on Reset Preferences, press on OK, and all your settings of VLC Media Player will change into default settings as it was in the first. And this is how to reset VLC Media Player to default settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.